Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. I was looking for just a straight unboxing of this controller and I couldn't find a proper one, so I thought I'd do one myself. So here we go. Let's just go ahead and unbox this and have a look at what everything is included inside of it. So first thing that we do have is looks like the controller itself, which is in this little case, which is really cool. So we'll put that aside for a second. We'll see what's underneath here. Nothing in that, but we do have something right here, and this looks to be the USB to USB-C cable, and that is indeed what it is. And there we go. So USB and USB-C. There we go. This looks to be a very long cable, which is really nice and handy to have. What else do we have inside of this here? Looks like we just got some paperwork. We'll leave that there for now. Let's go ahead and put this stuff aside and we'll open up the controller itself. And there it is, sitting there nicely. And let's go ahead and pop this open. There's all the different pieces and stuff for a sec, but let's have a look at the actual controller itself. First thing I must say is I'm an active user of all the original Xbox One controllers, and this one just feels way better quality. The grips on here are just amazing. Wow, I'm just super impressed. It's the first time I've ever held this. If we look at the back of the controller, you can see all the different paddles and stuff that are included on here, all the different controllers and settings and stuff. And I think these pieces will just come right out. Yeah, you can just control how these pieces go on, especially even these. So you can just pull these on and off as well. But that's really cool. Let's have a look at what's included here. This is the charger for it. And this, as far as I know, it's not rechargeable. You do need to just plug in your USB-C here, and then you can just rest the controller just right on here. So that's your little charger stand. We'll try it out for a second. Won't take that thing off, but I guess it does somehow go something like that. I'm not sure exactly, but we'll leave it for now. And then we do got the other pieces that are included here. So let's see if we have a look at this one. This one looks to be a shorter one. And this little toggle right here is a longer one. And so you can control these different pieces. So if you want to take this piece off, and you can put the longer one on, which is kind of interesting. So we'll just leave the original one on there for now. We'll customize it later. This little piece right here, this I believe is what you use to control the different pressures for this right here. I'm not sure exactly how we do it, but we'll leave it for now. But that's how you can control the different pressures for that type of piece right there. So we've got that little key, which will help for that. And then there's another shorty tab right here. And then we've got the little button thing right here. So this little button one. So if you want to take this one off, and then you can use this one, so you can have it more of a original style controller if that's what you prefer, or if you just want to take that one off and put the Elite one on, you can do that one as well. So it's just kind of personal preference on what you really prefer. But there we go. And then we've got this little carry case, and then there is a little hole right here, as you can see in this case. So we can actually feed the wire right through, so you can charge this case. So if you put this one in here, you can charge your actual little controller here through the case itself, which is really neat. So let me know in the comments down below, guys. This is just going to be essentially just the unboxing, so you can see what's included with this controller. That's going to be it. If you guys want to pick up one of these controllers yourself, check it out. I'll put it in the link in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.